What's up guys, to another video. So I realized this is my little brother's build. I put this computer up, like I built it, but the thing is I made one great mistake. I followed the manual, and the manual showed like they put the radiator in the back. You don't do that, guys. Don't put your radiator in the back. For optimal cooling, the front side of the case is the best choice. So we're gonna start off with taking out the radiator. So I'm gonna start with unscrewing these. The thing is, you start off with the fan side when you're screwing these in, because if you don't, you're gonna be screwing in into the radiator. You're gonna damage the radiator most likely. So you start off from the fan side, then you screw in until it goes into the radiator. If you start from the other side, putting this to the radiator, you're gonna puncture the radiator. Don't do that, guys. That's one mistake I once did. Okay, so this is the radiator. It's really dirty because it's really old. Haven't been running for quite some while. So we're gonna move this. I'm trying to not do any damages to the radiator. So these are usually sealed tight, so I wouldn't really worry. If it does leak, there's a lot of commotion, then we're gonna be kind of screwed, guys. And I just screwed myself again. I forgot to take off the front panel. You broke. So we got the fan that we want. The wire is not long enough. The wire is not long enough. I'm trying to figure it out. Okay. Welcome back, you guys. Found the fan. This is the fan we're gonna be using because it's longer wire. And now we got to install the back side. Doesn't have a fan, and needs an outtake. So that's what we're gonna use. This fan. We're gonna use this fan. This has 4 pins, so we can control it. The camera audio. If we end up going with the camera audio, forgive us. The Audacity just failed on us. It's giving up on us, okay? Sorry. The motherboard's popping out. Look at me. Come here. The motherboard's popping. It's like slant. It's like coming up. Let's look at this. It's not screwed in top left. It's just hanging on there. That's why I struggle with just putting the side panels on. No, I took it out before. I'm pretty sure you can take this. I lost it. I lost it in there. Guys, I'm gonna turn on the computer now. Hopefully boot. What the heck? That broke in, guys. She opened it. Yeah, so the fans are spinning. Great. This is which has LEDs, which it doesn't, because it needs a fan controller, RGB controller. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to see more videos about this or any type of subject, comment down below. Sorry about the audio, and see you guys later.